Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business credit card. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you could log in on the Twoguysfinance mobile app. So once you're logged into your account, you're going to select the business credit card account that you want to manage. Now, under its management, you can review your account balance and transaction history, or you can use the credit card tools to manage your business expenses. Likewise, you can review and update your account information anytime you need to do that. You could also track your business credit card activity, and if there's any issues or concerns or questions you have on the business credit card, you can just contact Twoguysfinance's customer service, and they're going to answer all of that question and help you to resolve all that issue. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business credit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next